Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Gcash, Linkin, PayPal errors. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we're just going to follow this Gcash Help Center article, and basically here we can find some reasons why you would face some errors connecting your PayPal account to Gcash. So basically, the first error or the first reason could be incorrect bank account. So basically, when linking your PayPal account, ensure that your username, account number, and password are entered correctly. And basically, if you don't do that, you might face the error connecting the PayPal to PayPal account to your Gcash. Also, you will need to make sure that your bank account is active and not restricted. Sometimes you can just go to the help and go to the resolution center and see if there are any restrictions are within your PayPal account. And from here, you can find all your open cases and see if there are any limitation applied to your account. Also, you can check your network issue, and basically, if you have some bad connection, internet connection, the communication between Gcash and PayPal won't be able to proceed, and therefore you will have some error connecting the PayPal account within Gcash. And also make sure that your bank status is all good and that is working very well, and it's not probably the reason would be, and the most probable ones are just ones like incorrect bank details, Gcash account verification. You will need to make sure that your Gcash account is working and it is verified so you can link your PayPal account, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.